Hello guys, I'm Baris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And again, the same price action, right? Since the last, I don't know, five trading sessions, one, two, three, four, and today the fifth. So since the last four trading sessions, market has been showing the same price action, right? Today also we were expecting that markets would start moving up and up and up from here, and even I had 45 100 call option, oh sorry, put option short over here. I mean, I think I shorted in this candle over here, right? But if you see markets pretty much, showing a fake breakout over here, and then we again seeing a sell off in the end, right? And I tried to short a call option, but I really wasn't getting a lot of conviction, right? So I just squared off my position at, cost to cost. And pretty much I ended up with like, I don't know, 400 rupees profit, not much big. So anything, nothing, big happening today. I really was expecting that we would see a very good short covering at least till 45,200, right? But that again did not happen over here. So what can we expect tomorrow, right? Because market has been continuing the same price action every day. So it really cannot happen like every day, right? That market continues with the same price action. Again, if you see this trend line on the upside that the market was kind of following, now market broke out of that today, but again, kind of getting back into the trend line. And now the market, at least bank nifty, is in this channel over here, if you guys see, right? So again, on the downside, what we can do is very simple, right? Tomorrow, I think if we open with a gap down, right, then I don't think the buyers will try anymore to take the market up. Why? Because very simple. If you see, the buyers tried over here, the buyers tried over here, but the buyers tried over here, the buyers tried over here, the buyers tried and tried and tried, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down, I think we could see a very good sell off at least till 44,200 on the downside. And if we open with a gap down, oh, sorry. And if we open with a gap up, then I don't think the sellers will also try, because the sellers have also tried to take the market down multiple times over here, right? So both the buyers and sellers are in a position over here where either one of them could win depending on where we open tomorrow, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 44,500, then you can do two things. Either wait for the first 5 minute candle, right? Once the first 5 minute candle is closed, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here till 44,200 on the downside. That should be your target. Or you can wait for the markets to retrace back up till 44,700, then start adding quantity over here. But what could happen is that the markets may never come back and we see selling exactly at the open itself, right? So we could see a very big candle. So for that, you can wait for the first 5 minutes, and once the low of the first 5 minute candle is broken, then you can go ahead and short a call option, or maybe buy a put over here, or maybe even short futures, right? That depends on what you do, and you can do that till 44,200 on the downside, because that is a good support now. So maybe the markets might come back down till there. Then we'll need to see where the trend is going, right? Are we going down even more, or are we starting to move up again, right? So that's for the downside. If you open flat and start crossing down, same thing. You can go ahead and take a short position over here also. Your target first will be 44,500, because we are opening flat and because there is a trend line over here. We need to see how the market reacts to this trend line. If we sustain near 44,500 itself for the first half, and then and in I mean till the second half, if we sustain near 44,500, then we can see further fall in the market. But if we get near 44,500 and then we again start seeing buying, then maybe we could again see a buying happening in the second half over here, right? So the selling that was happening in the second half could turn into a buying over here if 44,000, if the buyers are interested at bringing or buying at 44,500. Because if you see, the previous rally had started again, right after the breakout. The previous rally had started from 42,500, so buying zone was at 44,500. So again, 44,500 could act as a support. So if we open flat and start crossing down, then you can sorry, then you can go ahead and start booking your profits at 44,500, because if we take support from here, if you see, right, we are at a very crucial zone in the top in terms of this trend also, right? If you see, the trend started from here till here. So if I go ahead and draw Fibonacci levels, right, and show you guys, just a second. Yeah, okay, it was on the top itself. Yeah, if you see, the 50% of this trend also comes near 44,600, right? So this range of 44,600 to 500 could act as a very good support zone also, right? So again, keep booking profits also if we open flat and start moving down, because maybe we might take support over here and then again start moving up, right? So again, if we open with a gap down, then I think there will be a little bit of panic. But if we open flat, then there will not be a lot of panic in the market. So that's why I'm saying to book profits at 44,500. Again, if we open with a gap up, then I don't think tomorrow we will see a sell off again, right? Maybe we might see a sell off, but I mean, speaking with probability over here, right? How many times can the sellers take the market down again and again and again after opening with a gap up, right? After a point, the sellers will also give up and they will need to take the market up. So if you open with a gap up anywhere above this, above the swing over here, right, anywhere above 44,850, then we'll wait for a 5 minutes price action. Wait for a 5 minutes price action, only then go ahead and take a bullish position. But we will not go aggressive over here. We will wait for a confirmation above 45,000 this time, because the market is telling us that maybe, we might stay over here for some time. Maybe again the sellers might come after after going to 45,000. So we will go ahead and start adding quantity above 44,850 once we see bullish price action in 5 minute chart. So once we see higher highs being made in 5 minute chart, you can go ahead and start adding bullish quantity over here. But we'll only go aggressive once we get a bullish price action above 45,000, right? So once we break out above 45,000, then take support from 45,000 and start moving up, only then is where we'll go very aggressive. Until then, we will not go aggressive on the buying side also, because market is, I mean, kind of, we need to first get a confirmation, right? Because at this point, maybe we might again go above 45,000, a little bit, like something like today, and then again see a sell off, right? So we'll wait for a confirmation above 45,000 this time, and only then we'll go ahead and plan big targets for the next week. Because I feel like, the markets have really consolidated well over here. In terms of, I mean, consolidation, the markets have consolidated over here, and so we could again start seeing a buying rally on the upside till 46,000. Maybe definitely next week onwards, right? Again, talking about Nifty, if you see, was definitely way more bearish. I mean, I wouldn't call it bearish, but there was definitely more selling in Nifty than Bank Nifty. If you see, there is also this trend line coming in Nifty. Just give me a second. Yeah, if you see, there is this trend line coming in Nifty also, which Nifty took support of in the end and started moving up, right? So if we open flat and start crossing today's low, we will not hesitate to sell, because Nifty has a very good range on the downside. So Nifty could easily come till 19,200. But if we start moving down from here, you guys can go ahead and keep your first target at 19,300 to 320 on the downside, and your second target as 19,200 also. Maybe we could see Nifty coming down till 19,200 tomorrow itself, right? I mean, 1% for Nifty is not really a kind of fun. I mean, it's pretty possible for Nifty to come down till 19,200 tomorrow itself also, right? And again, if you open with a gap down straight up at 19,360, 350, all these levels, you can do two things. Wait for a retracement till this trend line over here. Once you start seeing bearish candle being made in the 15-minute chart near this trend line after taking resistance from this trend line, then you can go ahead and take a short position over here. Or you can wait for the day low of Nifty that the Nifty makes in the maybe in the first 5 minutes, right? That day low to be broken, and then you can go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty. Because again, if you open the gap down, chances are that we could never take a retracement and just start falling down very fast, right? So that is something that you need to look out for. If we open flat and start moving up, we'll do nothing over here because this will be a little bit of volatile zone, right? At least until we get a bullish price action in 15-minute chart above 19,500, there will be a little bit of volatility in Nifty in this zone, right? So if you open with a gap up somewhere near 19,500, same thing, we'll not do anything. We'll wait for a confirmation in 15-minute chart. Only then we'll go ahead and start, adding bullish position. But above 19,550 is where we can go aggressive in Nifty, at least till 19,600 on the upside. But I think 19,800 could become your, very easily can become your positional target in Nifty over here. Again, if you open with a gap up, same thing, wait for price action in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, because we are at a very crucial level, and both sellers and buyers are, both sellers and buyers can take the market in their direction of, big time from here. So again, we'll wait for some price action. We'll not go ahead and enter into the trade, at least for tomorrow. Once we get a confirmation tomorrow, maybe Nifty closes bullish and Bank Nifty closes bullish, once we get a confirmation that okay, the buyers are now active, then we can go ahead and start buying. Or if we get a confirmation that the sellers are now very active, then we can go ahead and start selling. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Be a little cautious tomorrow. I think there will be a little bit of volatility tomorrow, but again, if we catch a very good trend tomorrow, then I think we can expect a very good momentum in the next week onwards, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.